You wouldn't wear a sundress in a snowstorm, right? The same logic applies to your skin. Just like your wardrobe needs a seasonal update, so does your skincare. And with the back-to-school season in full swing, it's the perfect time to switch up your skincare routine. So, whether you're a college student, a busy mom, or just someone who loves to take care of their skin, stick around. I've got some practical tips and tricks that'll help you keep that glow all autumn long. Tip 1. Protect your skin. Just because the days are getting shorter and the sun isn't as intense doesn't mean you can skip the sunscreen. UV rays are sneaky little devils. They're still around even on cloudy, chilly days. So if you want to avoid sun damage, wrinkles, and premature aging, you've got to keep that SPF in your routine. Here's the golden rule. Always go for a broad-spectrum SPF of at least 30. Broad-spectrum means it protects against both UVA and UVB rays. And listen, I get it. Who wants to add an extra step to their morning routine? That's where multitasking products come in handy. Look for moisturizers or foundations that already have SPF in them. It's like a 2-for-1 deal. Hydration and protection in one swipe. Tip 2. Hydrate. Fall brings that delightful pumpkin spice everything, but it also brings dry air that can really mess with your skin's moisture levels. Suddenly, that lightweight summer moisturizer isn't cutting it anymore, and your skin starts feeling like the Sahara. Trust me, no one wants flaky, dry skin when they're trying to keep that summer glow going forever. Here's the thing, when the air gets drier, it pulls moisture out of your skin. So, to combat that, you need to pay closer attention to moisturizing. Think of your skin like a sponge. It's going to soak up all the goodness you give it, but if the sponge is bone dry, it's not going to be as effective. I recommend swapping your light moisturizer for something richer, something that's going to give you that deep hydration your skin is craving. Look for products that contain ingredients like hyaluronic acid and glycerin. Hyaluronic acid might sound like a scary chemical, but it's actually a hydration hero. This stuff can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. Glycerin is another great ingredient that attracts moisture to your skin and keeps it there. Together, these two are like the dynamic duo of hydration. But don't stop at just slapping on moisturizer. Remember to hydrate from the inside out too. I know, everyone says drink more water, but seriously, it makes a huge difference. Think of your skin as a plant. If you don't water it, it wilts. Same with your skin. So keep that water bottle handy and aim for about 8 glasses a day. Tip 3. Exfoliate. As the temperature drops, your skin might start feeling a bit rough or dull. That's because the cooler weather slows down your skin's natural exfoliation process. Think of it like this. Your skin is like a conveyor belt, constantly renewing itself by pushing old, dead cells to the surface where they're shed. But when the air gets cooler and drier, that conveyor belt slows down, leading to a buildup of dead skin cells. The result? Rough texture, dullness, and that annoying, dry, flaky skin. To keep your skin looking fresh and smooth, you've got to give it a little nudge. That's where exfoliation comes in. I'm not talking about scrubbing your face raw with harsh exfoliants. That's a one-way ticket to irritation city. Instead, go for gentle exfoliating acids like AHAs, alpha hydroxy acids, and BHAs, beta hydroxy acids. AHAs, like glycolic acid, work on the surface of the skin to dissolve the bonds between dead skin cells, making them easier to shed. BHAs, like salicylic acid, go a bit deeper, getting into your pores to clear out any gunk. Start slow, maybe once or twice a week, and listen to your skin. If it feels sensitive or irritated, back off a bit. Overexfoliation is a real thing, and it can leave your skin red, raw, and even more prone to dryness. So be gentle, and your skin will thank you. Tip 4. Look for these ingredients. All right, let's move on to some ingredients you'll want to look out for this fall. The cooler weather can bring out some common skincare concerns: dryness, dullness, and sensitivity. But don't worry, there are some superstar ingredients that can help. First up, ceramides. These are like the glue that holds your skin cells together, forming a protective barrier that keeps moisture in and irritants out. As the weather gets colder, your skin's natural ceramide levels can drop, so it's a good idea to look for moisturizers that contain them. They'll help repair your skin's barrier and keep it strong and healthy. Next, let's talk about vitamin C. This antioxidant is amazing for brightening the skin and fighting off free radicals, those pesky molecules that can cause damage and accelerate aging. A vitamin C serum can help keep your skin looking fresh and radiant, even when the weather is dull and gray. And finally, niacinamide. This is a form of vitamin B3 that's great for reducing inflammation, improving skin texture, and boosting hydration. It's like a little miracle worker in a bottle, helping to soothe and strengthen your skin, which can be especially important as the weather turns colder. Tip 5. Lifestyle. Now, I know life gets busy, especially with the back-to-school season in full swing, but that doesn't mean you have to sacrifice your skincare routine. There are plenty of ways to keep your skin in tip-top shape without spending hours in front of the mirror. One of the easiest ways to streamline your routine is by using multi-purpose products, like I mentioned earlier. Think moisturizers with SPF, serums that combine multiple active ingredients, or tinted moisturizers that give you a bit of coverage while also hydrating your skin. These products save time and simplify your routine, so you can still take care of your skin even on the busiest days. Another tip is to set aside just a few minutes each day for a little skincare self-care and make it a strict part of your routine. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, just a quick cleanse, moisturize and sunscreen in the morning, and cleanse, treat, and and moisturize in the evening. Consistency is super important, so even if your routine is simple, sticking to it every day will make a big difference. And don't forget about the basics. What you eat, how much sleep you get, and how you manage stress all play a role in how your skin looks and feels. A balanced diet rich in vitamins and antioxidants will nourish your skin from the inside out. And while it might be tempting to stay up late binge watching your favorite show, getting enough sleep is key for healthy skin. Your body repairs itself while you sleep, and that includes your skin, so make sure you're getting enough beauty sleep. Remember, as the weather changes, so should your skincare routine. Keep your skin hydrated with rich moisturizers and hydrating serums. Protect it with a good SPF, exfoliate gently to keep it smooth, and look for ingredients like ceramides, vitamin C, and niacinamide to tackle common fall skin issues. And most importantly, make your routine work for you, whether that means simplifying it with multitasking products or just setting aside a few minutes each day for self-care. What are some of your favorite fall skincare tips? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe with your notification bell turned on so that you can stay updated on the best skincare tips, no matter the weather.